Join me as we prepare this refreshing cucumber ginger juice using the blender method. Add in 8 cups of alkaline water, 0 to 400 pounds of cucumber chopped, 0 to 250 pounds of ginger. Blend until smooth and let sit for a second. Removing foam is optional, but I do it. Using a fine mesh cloth, pour your mixture into the cloth and strain thoroughly. The color is beautiful. Next, add in 4 ounce key limes and strain to remove any remaining pulp or seed. Using agave sweetener, add in 4 ounce. Add some juice to the measuring cup to remove the remaining agave. The key limes gave it a brighter color, and it's ready to serve. Sweetener is of your choice and limes is of your choice, whether it's lemons or limes. It's better that you let it chill first, but ice is also optional. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing, like, and share. See you in my next video.